I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the battery in the Ambio Health wireless connector. You can tell that the wireless connector needs a new battery because the light is no longer blinking on the front of the wireless connector. To change the battery, you turn it face side down, pinch the clip on the side of the battery compartment, and the battery sled slides out. The new battery is placed in the sled with the plus sign showing. Then the battery sled slides back into the wireless connector until you hear a click. You know now that the wireless connector is ready because the light is blinking. It is now ready to transmit a reading.